Clear communication is very important for our patient. It's an integral part of the patient care. The outcome really improves if you are communicating with the patient in a cleared manner. If you are treating a patient, if you are doing everything right, if they are not understanding what the physician is trying to do, like if you are prescribing medication, if they don't really know when to take the medication, how to take the medication, even if you are giving the right medicines, still they are not improving. Most of the time we say a patient like fasting, you have to fast for 8 to 12 hours, but sometimes they don't even understand what fasting means, what they can take, what they cannot take. So it may be very simple for us, it may be very simple for a person who is in the medical profession, but for general population, you have to make sure that they understand even the simpler terms that we just use on regular basis. When you talk to the patient and explaining any medical condition, I would suggest just try to keep things simple. When they are coming to see you, they are sick, they are stressed, sometimes they are fearful for the new diagnosis. So trying to keep the things simple, help them understand what you are saying, give them some time to absorb all the information you are giving. Sometimes you can use visual aid, you can use some patient, you can refer them to a website which has a very authentic patient information that really helps. The simplest thing you can do, just ask them whether you understand what I just said or no. Sometime involving a family member may also help. With the patient permission, if you feel like the patient is not getting what you are trying to say, try to involve the family member, because they may have some questions that the patient is not asking, and it may be very important for patients. So you can answer those questions too. In addition, what you can do, you can write down everything and make it simple for them, and they can look at it and try to understand better. It is very important to listen to your patient. Patients want to give you the best information they could. So if you are not listening to them properly, the first impression they may get that are you in a hurry or you are not even interested, and that will make it hard to gain their trust. So this is very important that you listen to your patient. The other important thing is you may miss a sign or symptom where what they are trying to tell you and you are not asking, but if you listen to them, they may give you that particular piece of information that really help in the diagnosis and treatment of that patient. A physician may be very good in medical knowledge and in expertise, but I think the two most important things that they can do is communicate with the patient in a way they can understand and answer their question and just listen to them. It will do a lot. You would be able to gain their trust. They will have more confidence in you, and it would be just very easy for you in future to treat those patients.